As the state was besieged by fire, emergency service workers risked their lives to protect others. In the process, some lost their own homes or suffered long-lasting mental scars, but the funds we received helped them rebuild from the ashes.
Last year, the world was introduced to a new enemy, COVID-19. The global research community had to unite to unlock the answers. And thanks to the support we received, South Australian researchers joined this fight.
In tough times, the most vulnerable in our community suffer the most. With your generous support, we're able to make an enormous impact, ensuring hundreds of mothers, babies and children living in disadvantage were not left behind.
At the height of COVID-19, frontline workers everywhere worked tirelessly to defend our community against this unpredictable enemy. You acknowledged and backed our efforts and raised our spirits at such a difficult time.
In 2020, Parkinson's SA and NT joined the Hospital Research Foundation group, helping us to expand our services for people living with Parkinson's and other neurological conditions.
The Laurel Palliative Care Foundation also joined the group. By banding together, we can maximise the impact and support for this essential area of healthcare when families need it most.
Our regional hospitals provide vital care to South Australians in all corners of the state. The generous grant we received meant we could purchase much needed equipment for patients in regional areas.
In a year that caused us to stand further apart, we saw so many people come together in the fight against cancer. Hundreds of hosts found creative ways to overcome our social challenges to make a huge impact for those battling this deadly disease.
To treat my cancer, I come to Adelaide every 6 weeks. It's a 6-hour round trip, so having a place to call home is a godsend.
2020 has shown us the importance of medical research and patient care to keep our communities safe. The Hospital Research Foundation group stood up for our communities. Our fight to save lives and improve care in and out of South Australia's hospitals continued because of your support. Together, with our researchers, our doctors and our nurses, we're here for every South Australian.
When bushfires ravaged our state,
As we stepped into the COVID-19 fight,
in our time of need,
And in our country hospitals,
you
you were in our corner.
For the front line that fought back the virus.
For those living with Parkinson's,
And those at the end of their life,
you were in our corner.
For the vulnerable and disadvantaged,
In the fight against cancer,
And your ongoing support means you
You were in our corner.